So, Assalamu alaikum. We are going to discuss the next topic of this chapter till these protocols we have discussed yesterday. So, here see locating sites using search engines. You know what is search engine? Maximum time we use to search information from the www. So, as per my view, that maximum people around the world they use Google search engine. As you know, Google most popular search engine Google. Okay, then we can use Yahoo, and you will come to know that YouTube also is a search engine. But YouTube is a search engine of what type of search engine is this? This is a video search engine. That means using YouTube we can search only videos on these websites. Okay, YouTube also one kind of search engine. Here you see some examples of search engines are given: Yahoo, Lycos, Hotbot, okay, Khoz. These are some examples of search engines. Just you need to understand, that means underline this definition of search engine. This is a program which is designed to search the information from the www. So simple definition it is given. This question comes for in different way, like fill in the blanks, true, false, and one word also. You see one word, if it comes, how it will come? It is a program that is designed to search for information on the www. So you have to write what? It is search engine. Simply you have to write only one or two words. So there are search engines for this. We can search information from the www. Did you get it? So these are some locating websites are given, like Google's. From here we can search information. Yahoo.com, from here also we can search. Another one search engine is also there. This is called Bing. B-I-N-G. Okay, you listen, you can note down it also. This is also one kind of search engine. What? Bing. Sorry, B-I-N-G, or Bing. Okay, not clearly can be written here. Okay, so this is Bing. This is the product of what? Microsoft. Clear? Product of Microsoft. So the next page will go. In the next page, what is this? You see here one example it is given with the screenshots also it is given. You know better what is screenshots are given for Google. This is the Google search engine screenshots. When we open any webs Google, that it comes like that, and when we type on this search bar any information, we'll get such kind of links. It is given in the next page. You can see next page, next screenshot, it is given to you. Here also it is given that any information if you search like that, all the links will be displayed in the next page. You better so many times you have searched so many informations from the Google is And most important things of this topic, that the question, you see what question comes from there. What are the components of a search engine? So these are the three components. What? Crawler, index, and search algorithm. You mark in your book also. If it is marked already, if you are using the previous year book, you have already marked, I think so. If it is not, then you mark in your book that these are the three most important parts of a search engine. Last year also this question came, I think so. What are the different components of a search engine? Clear? So here you see search engine have the automated programs. This is called crawler. What is the use of each and every individual part of this one? We will discuss one by one. The definition of crawler, you see, very important definition. The definition, you see, this is the automatically from, it depends on this one. This line you underline, okay, this one you underline, the crawler. Here you see the name of the crawler. There are different names of a crawler. What is the three names? You can see crawler, spiders, and boots. Here it is given the three different names of this crawler. So sometimes it comes what is crawler, what is in boats, what is boat, what is spider. So you have to write the definition about crawler. So let me tell you what are the uses of these things. First of all, the crawler, this is the automated program. Yes, obviously this is a program who can source information. That means when you put any search query, it has the responsibility to go to the different web servers and different links and find the relevant links and URLs and keywords, and it will make a list. Okay, it will make a list. As we know, there are so many search in web servers are there. So many web servers are there. When you put any questions, means any query on Google, example we are taking as Google or any search engine, just you go to, when you click search, it will, the crawler, he will do what, it has the responsibility to search, to go to the different links to different web servers, from one web servers to another web servers, and make the list where this relevant information is found. Okay, list, what are the list, the keywords where it, somewhere it may match, the link somewhere it may match. So these are the things, it will make a list of URLs. So this list of URL is known as index. Clear? So crawler has the responsibility to create a list about your information, that means about your query, wherever it is finding any match. Okay, any match it is found, then it will create a list of URLs, and this list is known as index. Now the next task is algorithm. As you know, algorithm, it is what, simply you can say the technique. So every search engine, they have the different technique to search. Here it is given the algorithm has the responsibility what, to go through the every individual's links that it is made by crawler, to end the every individual indexes. Okay, one by one indexes it will check by the algorithm, and wherever the algorithm will find the exact matching with your query, these links will be retrieved and it will be displayed on your display. Is it clear? So index, first of all the crawler will make some indices or indexes you can say, and algorithm will go through all the indexes, and it will make it will find, whenever it is found any matching with your queries, exactly matching or partially matching, there these things will come to you, and rest of all things will be discarded. So algorithm has the responsibility to go through all the indexes that is made by the crawler. So this is the work of these three components of a search engine. Every search engine has these three components: crawler, who has the responsibility to go through and search through the different websites, different links, and create a list of indexes; and algorithm who will go with all the indexes which is made by the crawler, and it will find, wherever the algorithm will find the matching with your search query, these links and these keywords will come to you and it will be displayed. So these are the works of search engine. Now you see the next of the things, that how the algorithm works. Here the example it is given also to you. You can see, when a user submits a search query, the software working on the engine's search algorithm, that means this software is about the search algorithm it is talking about, goes through the index to find the web page that matches the keyword and ranks the pages in terms of relevance. And where it is found any matching with this one, these things it will come to you. So these things you just underline. Okay, relevance. Here the most important Boolean operation, this question it was there in the last exam I think. What kind of operation it what kind of operation carries by this search engine? Any kind of search engine, what kind of operation? You have to write what? Boolean operation. And what are the Boolean operations? These are the Boolean operations. Okay, what? And, or, not. So these are the Boolean operations. And or already we have discussed in JavaScript. Okay, and, or, not also I think, not. So these three Boolean operations already we have discussed in JavaScript. So here how this three works, and, or. Okay, so this and, when we use and, there are two things. Say here example it is given, say virus and worms. When you search like this in your search engine, it means any content wherever it is found that virus and worms are written together. Not only virus, not only worms, both the terms should be present in the content. Wherever it will find such kind of contents are there, only these relevant pages will come to you and it will be displayed. So and operation, it is also known as match all operation. Somewhere it is written, you see, match all. That means both the part it is here, match all search, match all. Some this question also it may come, what is the other name of and, on what is match all search. Match all operation is nothing but it is and operation, Boolean operation. Where, say if you have searched in Google, you can check in your mobile phone even, but you must write and in capital letter. If you write cat and dog, and you search images, you will get all the images wherever all the images will contain cats and dogs in the same frame, in same pictures. Not only dog picture will come, not only cat picture will come. You can search, okay, cat and dog. Simply how to write, I'll show you. Just you can type once. In that way you can type, say cat and dog. Okay. In that way you search, you will get what? All the images. First of all, you click on the image search, okay, image search, and you will get all the images where every image will contain cat and dog. Not only cat picture you will get, not only dog, both. Okay, that's why match all. Okay, so like this, if you want to find some hotels in particular area, hotels and Hojai, that means all the hotels within Hojai, whereas the hotels are available, these things will come to you. So next search, it is given what? Or. As we know, in JavaScript also we have discussed, and both the parts should be true, that's why the result comes true. Okay, or means match any operation. It is known as match any operation. The definition it is given to you, you can see, match any operation. Okay, match any means either part. If we type like the similar way cat or dog, and if we search images, you will get this. Somewhere you will get dog pictures, somewhere you will get only cat, somewhere you may get both the images are available. Okay, so this is or either part. If it is true, these things will retrieve and it will be displayed. The next one is what? We'll get the next page. This is not. So next, not means excluding this. Whatever you are searching, except these other things. Okay, not hotels in Hojai, like that. That means except hotels in Hojai, other hotels related to this area or maybe different area, it will come to you. Okay, this is called exclude search. Somewhere it is written exclude search. The definition here you see, it is known as, another name is exclude search. Here one example it is given. One basket of banana is there. Okay, one basket of banana is there. And from this, where if you search not ripened banana, that means except ripened banana, all other bananas will come out to you. If you saved some information in any database like that, not this means except this other information will come to you. So this is the use of not. The next operation, it is near. Near, it means to relate to each other. How near are each other? You can search images on Google. So moon, here one example it is given, say you can see moon near river. One example it is given, you see in your book. Then you will get the information images that moon is very closer to river, and such kind of image will come to you. Moon is very closer to river. Okay, you can see, simply you can search and you can test yourself. Next one is nesting. Nesting means one inside another, means composed of all the operators and or both. Here nesting, it is example it is given here. See, one example it is given to you, in bracket or and outside its end. That means in bracket part, as we know, the parenthesis will work first. If I search cat in that way, let me show you. You can see, if you type cat and dog or lion, so if you search like this in your search engine, image search, you can see either dog or lion, among these two anyone, and it will come with cat. So you'll get all the images cat with dog or cat with lion. These are this kind of things, it is known as nesting. Okay, nesting operation. So these are the some different operations are given to you. You can see another one is there. So if you want to search any particular information, like exactly matching, sometimes you see when you search, so what is computer, you may get what is computer, and related to this one other things also will come, like supercomputers, maybe artificial intelligence. If you want to know about the exact phrase wherever it is matching, you just write with the quotation. Two quotation you give like this, and in between whatever you are searching, there's this search query just to write. So quotation is very much important whenever you want to search any particular information. Exactly wherever it is matching this sentence, it will come to you. This is what this specific phrase how to take to display, how to come to display specific phrase. If you want to display, you just use the quotation, use of quotation. Clear? Next one is what? Finding people on the internet. So how can we find people on the internet? Maximum of you are using Facebook, very much popular. The rest of the things too, we are very merely it is used. Maximum times we use word Facebook. Here the example of Facebook it is given. The other things too we are not having, we are not using even. Maximum time, maximum people they are using Facebook. So the Facebook is a platform where we can get connect to our friends, to our family members, where whenever we are away from our family, away from any particular locations, and say simply you are after matriculation, wherever you will be, you will still may not know. Okay, but this Facebook it will help you to connect with your fellow friends, that your old friends, your school friends. Okay, after the colleges you may go to universities, and if you want to get connect to the previous friends, very simple, very good platform to connect to your friends and family members and get the update about this environment, even whatever you say, your surroundings, whatever it is happening, everything we get the information. Nowadays the maximum people they are not even going to watch the television. Okay, every informations we are getting from Facebook, even the different pages are given from there also we get can. So we are not discussing about that part. We are discussing here only the how to get connect to the person, to people. That means if you want to search any particular information about any persons, if you are not if you don't know where your previous friends they are staying right now, but you know his name, his mobile number, or maybe his email ID, so by this one you can search on any websites. If he is registered on that website, it is very easy to find his information and location. So these are the some websites are given to you who can help you to find people on the internet. So maximum times we can use what we are using still Facebook. Okay, very popular websites to get connect to your friends and to find any people on the internet. The next page we see